Most data professionals will get stuck in their career in the first 10 years. And yes, a lot of it is due to focusing just on technical skills, but there are three distinct phases to your data career, and different things matter at different points of time. I'm Shresh Sharma. I'm an ex BCG management consultant and a tech executive. I've interviewed over 1,000 candidates, and I have led teams and looked at over 100 data professional careers. And these are the mistakes people make again and again and get their career stuck. So, your career is basically in three phases. The first phase is the question answer phase. This is at the start of your career, anything from 3 to 5 years at the beginning of your career. Your job is to answer the questions that have been given to you. In this phase, the most important skills are the technical skills. You should go really broad, you should experiment and learn which ones you are really good at and be good enough at every other thing. Be good at data engineering, data analytics, visualization, data science, algorithms. So be more broad based at this stage of the career and figure out what you are really good at. And that will be the thing that will unlock your career growth at this stage. Now, when you get to the second phase, which is somewhere around 3 to 5 years, there is a fork in the road. You need to take a call on whether you want to be a technical expert or you want to be a business expert. If you want to be a technical expert, you should double down on your technical skill sets and choose two or three, and maybe even one if you're extremely good at that, and become someone who anyone can rely on in that area. If you choose to become a business person, then your technical skills will still continue to matter and you need to keep them up to par, but you need to heavily start focusing on things like business analysis, how to present your insights, how to engage your stakeholders. Now, regardless of which fork in the road you choose, the second phase is that of a problem solver. In the first phase of your career, first 3 to 5 years, you're answering questions that are given to you. Now you are responsible for finding the questions that need to be answered. You are closest to the data. You understand the systems the best. And hence, it is you who needs to identify which problems need to be solved and then work on solving those problems so that your leaders see you not as a person to whom they have to give directions, but as a person to whom they can give an ambiguous problem, and this person will go and solve it and use the data and the systems and the infrastructure to make sure the best possible outcome for the organization is achieved. So now, in these first two phases of your career, which will combine last anything from 7 to 10 years, you become a good question answerer, you develop good technical skills, you become a problem solver, and then comes the good part. You become a systems leader. So, year 7 to 10 onwards, you need to focus on becoming a systems leader. You need to create leverage. You need to go beyond your individual capabilities as a person and make sure that you have a team below you, you have a system below you, you set up technology in a way that your experience and your skill gets amplified. So you're not only solving problems, you're not only answering questions, you are orchestrating systems. You're working with different teams. You are sparking the right conversations. You are bringing the right insight and helping make the impact on the business. So the biggest mistake that I talked about was just solely focusing on technical skills. Your knowledge of the technical stack will not get you promoted beyond the first 3 to 5 years. Now, yes, if you choose the technical path in the fork on the road, your technical skills will be a lot more important than the business path, but still, you will need to be a problem solver and a systems leader. Your impact on the business is what will get you promoted and not just your knowledge of the technical stack. That is something that you carry with yourself to help you make the impact, but the impact is what matters. So here's the summary. In the first 3 to 5 years, really do focus on your technical skill set. Go wide, discover what you really like doing, then choose whether you want to be on the technical side or the more business oriented side. Now start to identify the problems and solve those problems for your company and for your leaders. And then once you've mastered that skill, build systems around yourself which help you scale your impact, create leverage beneath you, and help you grow at a faster rate. So go ahead, do this, and this will surely unlock your career growth and help you not get stuck at a certain level.